This is lesson 17 for Saxon 5, multiplying by one-digit numbers. So we have a question to start with. A ticket to the show costs $12. How much would it cost for 4 tickets? Now there's 2 ways you can do this. You can do 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 would give you the number that you want because there is 4 tickets, all for $12. Now, if I didn't want to do repeated addition or as numbers get bigger, it is easier to do multiplication. So because I had 4 12s, I am timesing by 4 because I want 4 groups of 12. That is what I'm doing right now. So how I do this is I start by timesing my ones column. 4 times 2 is 8. Once I have that, I times my ones column by my tens column. 4 times 10, technically, is 40, or in this case, 4 times 1 is 4. So again, what I did is I started with 4 times 2, and I went to 4 times 10, because this is the tens column. And that gives me my answer, 48. Let's do another one. No, I gave it back to him because I borrowed it to do the photocopying, and I did the photocopying and gave it back to him. The only course 4 book I have is the Power Up workbook, because those are my books right there. You know, those are mine. Is it working with the masks? Awesome. All right, our new question is 6 different times next month, a salesperson must make a 325-mile round trip. How many total miles will the salesperson travel next month? So, what we're looking at is 325 6 different times. So, 6 groups of 325. We're going to do 325 times 6. Okay, this is one of those scenarios where you kind of stop wanting to do repeated addition because adding 325 to itself 6 times is a little bit much. So we're going to start. So our first step is ones times ones. So that is 6 times 5. Okay, 6 times 5 is 30. So we do the 0, carry the 3. Our next step is 6 times 20 plus 3. So 6 times 20 is 120. Okay, and if you couldn't do that, you can cover the 0. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 0 is 120. Plus 3 is 123. Or sorry, plus 30, because it's 30, not 3. Ever so sorry. Plus 30 is 150. Okay, so we put the 5, carry the 100 technically. So we now have 6 times 300 plus 100. 6 times 300, I can cover both zeros and just do 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Add 2 zeros, that's 1,800 plus 100 would give me to 1,900. So that's 19 there. Okay, that is all the steps you've done for multiplying 2 to 3 digits by a single digit. You just go ones column, twos column, tens column, hundreds column. This is the steps on the side. If you need to, for yourself, do it out like this so that you see what's happening for each step. You can, absolutely. But if you can do it as this, you can. This is more of a long version. That is lesson 17, multiplying by one-digit numbers.